I learned it and used it as an acronym whenever I would teach acronyms in the classroom. So this was one example of an acronym we would teach to the students. It began with that. It seemed that, ultimately, as anybody who is a victim to AIDS is definitely going to die. And his life is absolutely not just threatened, it's absolutely going to end fast. It was a terminal disease, it continues to be terminal because ultimately it leads in that direction. So when Sangeeta ma'am approached me and talked about the students' desire to do something in this direction, it was a very welcome move. And I felt particularly happy that the thought had come from you, because ultimately it is something which is likely to affect the younger generations the most.